Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma LH test kit. You can see this here. I'll just hold it for some time. You can see. Okay, so this is the reference part number. It says 13010, and then you have the lot number here, manufacturing date and the expiry date. When you come further here, you can see it's made in Korea from Boditech Marine Corporation. You can say CIVD certified product, and you can see it's a 25 test kit pack and it can be stored in the room temperature. So let me quickly go through the intended use here. The ichroma LH is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of LH, the luteinizing hormone, in human serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of determination of evaluating fertility issues, function of reproductive organs, ovaries or testicles, or reduction of the ovulation. This 25 test kit contains the key contents here mentioned here: 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, and 1 IFU brochure. You can see this here. I can just show you around the box. Here you can see its manufacturing location is from Boditech Marine Corporation from Republic of Korea, and the certification body is mentioned in the below. On this side you can see. Just go around. Let me open this box. Okay, I'm getting it opened. Okay, here you go. In the 25 test kit box, you can see there is one IFU brochure, and I am just opening this brochure for you. You can see it says Boditech Hormone ichroma LH. This IFU says this is the hormone analyzer, so ichroma LH. So this IFU brochure, you can see the IFU brochure. Both the sides completely have the information. You can see it has the key information like the intended use, the principles, and the key components, and warning and precautions. There are a lot of information, the limitation of the test system and storage and stability, and then you can see the material supplied. You can see the sampling, sample collection and processing procedure, and test setup and test procedure, and you can see the interpretation of test results, quality control, and performance characteristics. So you have the complete details to conduct your test. So here you go. And then you have one pack of 25 pieces ichroma LH detector tube. This is a 25 pieces pack. You can see this here. It says ichroma LH detector tube. You can see the lot number is mentioned and also the expiry date is mentioned. Put it here. And then there is one detector diluent. You can see this here. It says ichroma LH detector diluent. Same lot number is also mentioned, and so it's important to use the same thing for the lot number mentioned. Keep it here. And then you can see there is one ID chip which says ID chip LH, lot number is mentioned. You can see this chip. So this is critical to use the same chip. You can see the 25 cartridges here. I'm just taking 2 from this to show you closely both the sides of this pouch. You can see this here. It says ichroma LH with the lot number and the expiry date, and the back side certification body is mentioned. Okay, this is how it is. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma LH test kit. You can see this is the LH test kit. This is a 25 test kit box. In this box, in the 25 test kit box, you contain one IFU brochure, 25 detector tube pack, 1 detector diluent, and 25 cartridges, and 1 ID chip. Okay, thank you.